cup car.
That's a familiar sticker, but you may remember this fella behind the sticker because thanks to Toby and his team, we're able to... Why is Zimmerman flex covering the Fanatec logo on Black Falcon building? That is much better. And you know what's even better? The actual cup car. Here she is. Once again, huge thank you to Toby and his team at Fanatec for enabling us to chase our dreams and many other race cars when we drive the 992 cup car. A quick reminder is that if you're looking to become a better driver thanks to Fanatec like we do, use the affiliate link in the video description and the code ZZ-Misha5 for extra 5% off, especially now since Fanatec has revealed or published or made the podium pedals available. Small correction, I was slightly too excited. Only the price of Club Sport pedals has been announced. They will be available soon though. However, Fanatec has released the new Club Sport Formula V3 steering wheel. Long story short, check out the website. They have plenty of cool sim racing gear that will give you competitive advantage. And maybe one day you will be racing in a cup car as well. Anyway, enjoy the extra discount, and also by using this, it shows to Fanatec that working with us is beneficial, so it will encourage them for next year to give us maybe something faster. But yeah, anyway, because of that, we have the 992 GT3 Cup in alternative fuel class, Black Falcon Team Fanatec. You said it, you know it. I said it, you know it. You should correct me in the comments. But anyway, 997 Mark II? Mark II, GT3, 3.8 Metzger engine, and a couple of mods here and there, brakes, tires, alignment, new bushings after my last year's recommendation.
Yep.
And today is a DSK track day, and it's actually like pretty much NLS layout. So you have GP, you have Nordschleife, that's it. And you also do not need to wear a helmet. It's optional. You can, you don't have to. So in case people ask me like, hey, why are you having passengers? Did you not stop taking them out? I said, yeah, on public session, on track days, happy to do it. It's a separate occasion. There are more educated drivers, different insurance rules, you name it. And that's why I said, Toby, let's go for a lap. And that's when we're driving there. Toby asked me like, should I sell this car? I'm like, well, let me answer it for you with a bit of driving. So hopefully I gave him the answer he needs for. He does not need a cup car. He already has one basically with massive Fanatec logo on it. What else do we need more in life? 997 GT3 as a normal track car and a cup car. Yeah, fantastic. Goals. Oh, I also of course use the affiliate link in the video description for the Fanatec gear. So I can get myself a 997 GT3 and turn it into a project car.
You reckon I keep the car?
This?
Yeah.
What's your alternative? Get something newer?
That's exactly the point. Yeah, but
You're not gonna be happy.
it's gonna be too boring, yeah?
Yeah.
Like, I drove Lucas's 991.2 manual once.
Yeah.
I felt like sitting in a Golf.
I know. The thing is, my honest opinion, you should keep this. If you want to have something new, go rent it. Go to track speed, wherever, drive it. If you like it, you rent it some more without owning it. Go to track day with it, but this is so special, I wouldn't sell it. I mean, my personal take on it.
Yeah, no, it's I have the same.
Because it feels like, you know, even if you don't drive fast, you have satisfaction.
Yeah.
It feels like you've driven.
Yeah.
Because otherwise it's just like, yeah, you press accelerator. Yeah. It's like also with the modern 992 with the GT3 RS. It's like, whether it's Bergmeister or Gebhardt with the Sport Auto, they leave the car in auto. They said, yeah, because it uses the optimal gearing, you cannot shift as fast or as good. Yes, it allows you to have a better lap time, but like taking away one more thing out of the equation.
But then you know the question is, what do you want to get out of it?
Yeah.
And if it's just pure lap time,
Exactly.
that's the way to go. But
Yeah.
this is not my goal, right? I mean, I want to
No.
have a good time, enjoy the car, you know.
cup car. On a GP track, it's oversteery. On a Nordschleife, it's probably gonna be perfect. Also second gear like a cup car. That was too much. Fifth gear. And the yellow flag.
This feels quicker than the taxi lab I had with Jimmy in the cup car.
Sorry, Jimmer. Yeah, but that's the thing. You know, you drive in the new cars and you need to go super fast, and even then still it's like, yeah, okay. But this is like, okay, I'm going fast. That's why I got the Civic, because it feels even faster. Oh, they're very like generous with yellow flags. Steps out, but then it catches itself. Yeah, I cannot, bro. I'll happily try, but Cannot. Ah. Oh no.
I did the same mistake. My first time.
Nice. Super cool. And after this lap, you need to say, yeah, I'm not going to sell it. There is nothing better than this.
No.
Is it overtaking both left and right, or
No,
just?
no, just on it.
Ah, okay. Then I need to go
Yeah.
that way. Nice little cool down. No, epic little car. It's
The bushings made such a difference that you recommend it.
yeah. It feels that I don't know. I would check. Now the next thing I would check the engine mounts, honestly, because it feels like the engine is like kind of still floaty on the back. Because the car indeed on all the 4 axles it's good, but it feels like that in the back in certain times it's just like moving around, and you're balancing just like with the rear engine a bit too much than you should be. But yeah, fantastic. Really, really loved it.
It's a bit the thing with these types of cars. You know, you really have to know what you're doing in order to like get the max out of it.
Of course. No, this is like really. But when you drive it, you're like, okay, that's.
Yeah, but then you get in the zone. You know, it's
Yeah.
like.
I loved it. It's super, super cool.